Stuntmen.
You are watching a film in which two men are having a fight. They hit one another hard. At the start they only fight with their fists, but soon they begin hitting one another over the head with chairs, and so it goes on until one of the men crashes through window and falls 30 feet to the ground below. He's dead. Of course he is not really dead. With any luck he is not even hurt. Why? Because the men who fall out of high windows, or jump from fast-moving trains, who crash cars, or even catch fire, are professionals. They do this for their living. These men are called stuntmen. That is to say, they perform tricks. There are two sides to their work. They actually do most of the things you see on the screen. For example, they fall from a high building. However, they don't fall on the hard ground, but on empty cardboard boxes covered with the mattress. Again, when they hit one another with chairs. The chairs are made of softwood, and when they crash through windows the glass is made of sugar. There is an inherent risk in the performance of all stunt work. There is maximum risk when the stunts are performed in front of a live audience. In filmed performances, visible safety mechanisms can be removed by editing. In live performances, the audience can see more clearly if the performer is genuinely doing what they claim or appear to do. To reduce the risk of injury or death, most often stunts are choreographed or mechanically rigged so that, while they look dangerous, safety mechanisms are built into the performance. Despite their well-choreographed appearance, stunts are still very dangerous and physically testing exercises.